So this is the episode we've been most looking forward to, and this is the one that's been most anticipated and the one that people have been asking the most questions about, and we've teased you for quite a long time on this one. So about 4 weeks ago now, we took this over to Loughborough Paintworx for its colour change. Now we followed that, so we'll show you the follow footage. We headed off and we followed it with this. And the reason why we followed it with this is the Solo and Navis demo Porsche 992. So if you've been to Gravity or Ultimate Dubs or some of the shows or Cafe and Machine, we take this there because this is our marketing tool for our Solo management and also our wheels, our Navis wheels. This will continue to evolve, but as part of going to shows, we thought how cool would it be if we had a transporter that towed it that was as low with the same wheels as that. So this went off to Steve to be painted the same colour as that, and right now you can't see that colour because this should be in black and white if cameras do it right. But over the course of this video we'll reveal how this van ended up that colour based on that. So anyway, we took that vehicle over there, we wanted to get Steve to scan it, so he got his clever scanning tool out, scanned the vehicle to make sure the colours match perfectly, and they do. Continue to watch and you'll get to see the reveal on the colour of this van, which I now absolutely love. Today is the big day. So I've seen pictures of this. Steve sent me quite a few in throughout the process, and the pictures don't do it justice. It looks incredible in the pictures. Now, in the flesh, or in the steel, in the metal, so much better. Now, we've been really kind of quiet about this. We've not been showing anybody colours, so we've posted quite a few pictures on social media to show how good the finish is, how well Steve and his team have done. But they've always been black and white. So it's time to reveal the colour. So let's head over and have a look. So here it is. I cannot tell you how pleased I am with this. It's so much better than I imagined. So this colour is Aventuring Green. So this is the same colour as the Porsche that we brought here when we dropped it off. So that's the Solo and Navis Porsche that we take to all our shows. So idea being, this is going to tow that on a trailer. They're going to have matching wheels. The trailer is hopefully going to have matching wheels, and this will be our show pony towing our show pony. But we wanted the two to match. Now this colour has never been done before on a transporter to the best of my knowledge, and it was we were unsure whether it'd work because every time we've seen it, it's in smaller panels like on a Porsche. We've never seen it in such a vast size, but I absolutely love it. It's better than I could have dreamed. No doubt other people will decide to do this colour again after we've done it, but yes, for now it's a one of one. It's the only transporter that's Aventuring Green in the country, and it looks incredible, even like this with its scabby inside. Super excited now to get this back and start working on it. So Horizon roofs are coming over in the next couple of weeks. They're going to put the pop-top roof on this. We're going to start working on the inside, get the engine up and running, a bunch of other stuff to do, so we'll continue to document that. We're going to use the inside to showcase some new parts. Like I'd mentioned previously, there's an underslung air conditioning unit for camper vans, which is new to the market, or going to be available later this year. So we're going to install that on here and show you how to install it. We're also going to give you a bit more details about air suspension. So we get asked a lot by people that want to install air suspension, how you do it. Now, as much as we're not going to do a full how-to tutorial on how you fit air suspension, because it would just take days, we're going to show you how we've run this, where we've run the lines, and just give you some information about the controller and how you set it all up. So just a useful tool, but we'll try and break those down into individual videos. New wheels coming for this. That'll probably be the last thing that goes on. So we have matching wheels that are going to be going on the Porsche, so we'll tell you more about that as it happens. Heated front windscreens going in this, a bunch of other stuff, so loads of exciting new bits. But yeah, just keep watching to follow the journey, and we'll try and break it down into individual videos and keep you up to date with this. So you may remember the goal was to get this to Gravity. Well, Gravity's long past. It was unachievable. I think we just gave ourselves an unrealistic deadline, but we did that to give ourselves a push to crack on with it. Gravity's long gone. We made the decision early on, it just wasn't, we didn't want to rush it. So the next big show coming up is Ultimate Stance, which is end of October. So now that's the goal, to get this thing to Ultimate Stance, and it will be there. Whether it'll be completely finished inside, we'll see. I don't know, but it will certainly be looking good, driving good, and it will be at Ultimate Stance in Telford later on this year. So wanted to thank Steve and his team at Paintworx so much for the incredible job they've done. This is like, Steve's put so much into this van, and his guys here, you know, just incredible amount of work that's gone to make that scabby blue panel van look this good, and they've absolutely nailed it. So we're going to head back now. We're going to get this thing back on the trailer. We're going to head back to THQ and start working on all the other things. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Sorry for the suspense and the delay it's taken to get this to this point where we can show you the colour. Let us know in the comments what you think about this colour. I'm sure still actually the video won't bring out how vibrant the colour is. So it's a very kind of greeny grey, but it's definitely got that element of green, which I was hoping I would see when you saw it on the kind of big vast panels. Now, people have asked us about things like windows and stuff going in this. It's going to remain a panel van. As much as it's going to have a caravel interior, the side is going to stay the same. We're not going to put any windows in this. Hope you've enjoyed the video. Please do hit that like button. It means a lot. The more times you like it, the more YouTube shows it to other people. If you don't already subscribe to the channel, click the subscribe button and ring that little bell to get notifications when more videos come out on this and other videos and new products we have. And as always, thanks for watching.